Hey everybody, in this video we're going to take a quick look at the Suzuki SZ14 direct reader. Not a pick, you don't have to actually pick to decode, it's just a reader. Works very well for Suzuki's. I got this ignition here. This is from a 05 or 06 Gixxer. And I already decoded it and cut a key here. Show you that the key works here. And we'll show you how I actually decoded it using the reader here. It's very, very simple. So basically, Suzuki ignitions are single-sided. So, you can actually take a pick and feel for what side the wafers are on. So you see the feel nothing there. You just hear it scraping on metal. There's no spring or click or anything. On the other side, however, you do hear these springs going. So that's where our 7 wafers are. And when you insert the Lishi, so our wafers are going to be on the bottom side of this. So you actually want your little reader lever there going the other way. So we're going to have that facing up. Now to insert the tool, some of these locks, especially on newer ones, they're hard to put in sometimes. So you want to lubricate it and don't force it, of course, but be firm, but not don't force and break it. And just get it all the way in there. Feels like we do. And then reading this thing is really, really, really easy. So once you're in the lock there, so we can get this card here, so we can get the camera to focus. Okay, that should be good. And to read it, very simple. You just go to where the number stops, and that's it. Take your reading. So we got 3, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, and 4. So it's 3, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4. And you guys run it through a code fill program to see if it's a good code or not. And so I already cut the key for it. See, the key does operate flawlessly. And that reader is really, really simple to use. It really can't get any easier. And so I guess that's really all I got on the SZ14 direct reader. If you do have any questions or comments on it, leave them in the comments. And also my email address is on there too, so you can drop me an email if you feel the need to do that. And pretty much all we have for this one, guys. So I guess until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.